It's the 9th of January, Friday. We're here and it's really cold. We're going to wash the car because we're going to Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning in Columpton, which is Exeter, to Refuel. Because it's disgusting. When you see it, I don't ever see it in the daylight. I did legs at the gym and everything. You have a stabiliser.
Well, we need to get one.
Does that look clean?
Cleaner.
I actually hate winter. The salt in this country destroys your wheels, destroys your paintwork, destroys the bodywork. Anyone that owns a Nissan will know that. So what people don't actually know about me is I'm actually a detailer in my spare time. You can tell by my Amazon basics. Plant spread. This is citrus flavoured. Yep, citrus flavoured pre-wash.
It's not fun. Scented. Citrus scented.
My girlfriend is just completely looking like I'm a freak. So I am now. Taking the so long to work this out. Good to see you. Should have brought down to Millie.
I'll make a video out of it regardless.
That is epic.
It's not. I'll go from the back.
I think we have to end the video there, guys, because we've come to Refuel and it's just a mini takeover. But we've had a nice breakfast, haven't we?
Yeah, very good.
She's a bit shy to be on camera. So we're going to go shopping now. So I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one.